Assalamu alaikum. Hi there guys. In this video I'll be showing how to crypt a rep. In by rat I mean actually I will be dealing with NjRat, but in the end of the video I'll be showing the method working for which servers, I mean for which rats servers, so stay tuned for that. Okay, so let's get started. How to crypt a rat, actually rat server, and in this case I will be using NjRat. And by the way, it's not fully undetected method. I'll be sharing that as well, but for right now this is just for beginners who literally know about crypting and the red stuff but don't know about real stuff. So I'll make this tutorial real quick by making a server and then crypting it, and we will be not scanning it online, but rather than I will check on Facebook, because Facebook also scan the file before uploading it, so we will use that method. Okay, let's start and just build a server. I'll not check I will just using CMD I will check it, so no need to replace the host. Okay, just crypt it, build, sorry, and there we go. Okay, for crypting we will need two things actually. This is not a crypter. One actually includes a crypter, but the second is not a crypter. Okay, so one is actually NJ crypter, the second will smart assembly tool. So both the software links will be in description, so you can download those from those links. Okay, here. Okay, so this is actually our red server over here, as you can see, and if I try to run it, but it will be detected for right now, but still let me check it. Okay, as you can see, it's detected, and we can also check on Facebook over here. Okay, I just for demo I will be uploading it to my own messenger message box actually, so let's test As you can see, virus detected in the upload. So now after this we will be jumping to crypting, how to crypt it. Okay, as I said, we will need one crypter and the other is smart assembly tool. So I will put the link in description for this folder actually. In this folder we only need this crypter for right now. This is NjIL crypter 0.1 version 0.1, and the second is smart assembly tool, but make sure just let me crypt the server from this crypter first, then we will deal with the smart assembly tool. Okay, picking the server, and the default settings is good. Don't mess with the string, it sometimes end with a corrupt server file, so don't mess with that, and click crypt, and the output name of the file will be crypted, so it's okay, and click save. Okay, there we go, we got the crypted file over here, this one. Now it's run for smart assembly tool. Okay, create a new project. You need to click this one, then browse the assembly, click this one, and here you need to pick the crypted file actually, this one. Okay, let me drag it. Okay, and also set the destination where you want to save it. So it's like a final file, I guess it's okay right now. Okay, now here's the deal. We need to set up and check some of the settings. I'm not going with detail, but just follow the steps what I am doing. So we need to enable this thing, and the default settings okay. We need to click enable, check this one, the maximum one, and control flow with enable option of maximum, this one, and also string encoding, where it is, yeah, here we go. Okay, and the final one is DSM level protection. Click this one and you're good to go. Just click build. Okay, done over here. Now let us check the file. For Komodo it's like difficult to bypass it, but let me check it. For checking the server I will need to disable it, but let me show it first. This was the final file, so I'll be checking it here. Okay, not detected by Komodo as well. And let me crypt it and upload it to Facebook, and then we will check whether the server is working, because many of the users know about crypting. They can use advanced tool, many advanced tool, they can end up with zero detection, but the file is like a crypt server, it is not working in that case. So I'll be showing that it is working or not. No. Okay, here is the file. Yep. So drag and drop here. So let's check it now. As you can see, it's working. Just demo, and click enter. There we go. Not detected. So in this case Facebook verification is no, scanning is bypassed as well. Now let's head for the checking whether it's working or not. Oh, nope, not that one. This one. I missed something. Yeah, so here now check for some. Yep, and this is the file. Let me check again, sorry for that. Yep, there we go. As you can see, this one over here, so it's actually sending the data, and the process ID is actually 7988, and you can see over here this is actually our file, the back server, and it's actually sending the data to this destination with this port. So it's working, or server is working, and I'm not checking it on the RAID because in my own case I cannot get my own host on my RAID. I don't know why. It's like something networking thinking, but I don't know in detail. Okay, now terminating it. And now the last part, whether this method will be working for runtime document or not. So if you know about the .NET frame, .NET format and P format, so probably you will know about this as well, but let me show you guys what I'm talking about. Here all the .NET frame format servers will be working. My method here will be working on those server. Let's say this is actually the server. So to check the format, I have one thing over here. It's actually P compact. I will put the link in description if you want to use it. I used this back in the year when I was converting these servers from net to P, because The problem with net servers is for those victims who don't have net frame on their computer, this server will not work there. So I used to convert .NET to PE, so I use this one. But for this I'm just showing this, the type is .NET, so all the servers having the type .NET, the method is working, you are good to go. And for PE, like dark comment rates and other, so I'm not sure whether it will be working for that or not, but I'm sure for .NET, so it will be working for that as well. Okay, that's all for you guys right now, and I will be sharing a new method, but it's somewhat like a private method. I'm not sure whether I will be able to share it with all you guys, but some of friends, Facebook friends, I will be sharing it with them only. And for all the beginners and for all the YouTubers, for all the Facebook and who are like trying to crypt a method, crypt a server, actually NjRat server, or other RAT like Ventum, Nanochrome, or whatever. Well, just enough for the talk. That's all for you guys, and hit the like button to let me know whether it's working or not. And also you can actually suggest me some cool cryptors or any other methods in the comment section, so I can actually work on it and find some really messy, good, fully undetected method for that as well. And for right now, that's all for you guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.